United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 221, Measures to avoid pollution arising from maritime casualties. 1. Nothing in this part shall prejudice the right of states, pursuant to international law, both customary and conventional, to take and enforce measures beyond the territorial sea proportionate to the actual or threatened damage to protect their coastline, or related interests, including fishing, from pollution, or threat of pollution following upon a maritime casualty, or acts relating to such a casualty, which may reasonably be expected to result in major harmful consequences. 2. For the purposes of this article, maritime casualty means a collision of vessels, stranding or other incident of navigation, or other occurrence on board a vessel, or external to it resulting in material damage, or imminent threat of material damage to a vessel or cargo.